Dumelang sanibonani apsheni igama lami nguSlim. Welcome to another episode of Something Music, your number one show that preview, review and rate your music. So uyazi ke the area code is umhlaba wonke jikelele. As I promised on the previous episode ukuthi we'll be doing the two giants. Vandaag we'll be doing Umzolisto, previewing and reviewing their latest music. Umzolisto noSjava, uSjava Indlalifa, uSjava wakaHadebe, Umzolisto uBonkosi wakaDlamini. So vandaag these guys, they've got commonalities. Kubo Boy 2. They are actors, they are rappers, they are singers. Bobabili. So if you can remember, Umzolisto gave us Itsotsi. He gave us Izo Izo. He also gave us shows like Abo Tatako, Hope with Zola. Gave us Zola 7, Take 5. He's been on the industry for a very long time, Umzolisto. So vandaag ngifuna ke sithi ukungena ngithi kuye Itsotsi. Kuluma nawe. Yangithola. So abaseZola, they will understand, but now I want us to start with the name Zola. And ikasi eSoweto elaziwa ngeZola, it's known as a dangerous section yaseSoweto, iZola. But then iZola, it actually became a opposite of what it is. Ngoba abantu bayiportray as ikasili dangerous eZola. Mina ngiphume eZola, iclever yaseZola. Angithola. So, but then legama elithi Zola, it means calm. It's a Xhosa name actually. Zola. Yabona bo Zolani, calm or thula or be quiet or quietness or calmness. So let's jump into the music. We know Zola gave us Umdlwembe. He also gave us Ibuto. He gave us Bambata. He gave us Nyezi. There's a lot of music that he gave us, Umzolisto. And apart from that, tukunama features there and there. So, but now I want us to jump into the latest one that was released on the 16th of January 2025, Imbube. And I want to give my honest preview and review on it. I think maybe from next episode I'll start playing a snippet and then we talk about it. Play a snippet, then I will review that part of the song. But Imbube, you can go check it out on Spotify. It's out now. Spotify, YouTube Music. It's up to you, whichever one, and Apple Music, whichever one you wanna your preference is. So Imbube, out here says laphayana. Listen to the chorus. So you listen to the song once and then you forget about it. It doesn't have to be like that for a legend efana Nomzolisto. If Umzolisto had carried the full chorus so that they don't change no Peruti, the chorus, because they swap the chorus. This time is Peruti, this time is Umzolisto. I believe Umzolisto has got a strong voice. If you remember the song where he featured Casper Nyovest, what he had to do is to be on the chorus, and that song was brilliant. So even on this one, I believe if he had chorused it, angafaki verse or maybe afake a hook nyana encane, not long, it was gonna make sense. It does not give me the song efana no Don't Cry. It does not give me that. It's way far. It's way lesser than that. And me checking on Spotify, the song is standing on 118,000, and it was released on the 16th of January. And we're speaking about Umzolisto here, the legendary Umzolisto. He's standing on 118,000. It's been a month. We're not even half a meter. Lengo matsotsi yami ngizoyigaya ngicela ukuyigaya 4 for my final rate. Ukuthi at least inile studio and you spend time kwa masteriwa, kwa mixwa, kwaproducewa kwayenziwa ibeat kwabhalwa. I'll give it a 4. I'll give it an effort. 4 for effort, uyangithola. So ngizoyika 4 effort. Yeah. So asijampe ke manje siye kumthimkhulu uBhungane uMashiya Mahle uSjava wakwaHadebe. Qala ukumazi njengomuntu oactayo, even though the music was in the background, but he started as umuntu oactayo. We well know him from iZone 14. If you remember the series yaka Gugu no Andile, I think he was there also. Isibaya recently beka kwi Shaka Ilembe. KuSjava we going to do a preview and review and rate the Inkanyezi Life EP. He reminds me of a flower. A flower doesn't say come to me, come smell me, especially a rose. You understand? Futhi njengoba ngizokhuluma ngeflower and a rose, vandag njengoba kuyi-14 zaka February and Valentine's, people are in red and white, abantu basemathandweni. So siyababongela bonke abantu abasemathandweni. Kodwa let me tell you a story about a flower. The only thing that a flower has to do is to ukuthi khule and blossom. And Tina, as human beings, what do? We go to the flower because the flower attracts us. So that's what exactly Usjava is doing. Exactly, Usjava does his own thing, and then we pay attention. And then when we pay attention, and then the attention pays him. That's Usjava for you. Let's get on into Inkanyezi. I feel bad because I was not there. Kuleya live recording, but next time I believe ngizothola invitation. Njengoba sesiqala ukuvula iminyango evaliwe. Yeah, it consists of about 5 songs Inkanyezi. There's a huge song lapaya number 4. I think it's Uyena. That song. It's more of a gospel song. It's beautiful song. Angazi ngayinika ngaki. I don't have the numbers that I can give that song. It's beyond the limit. It's limitless. And another one that a young mamba nge-choke slam, which is Kunye. I believe the song is speaking about an ex. Within my heart turns into silver, like I lost in the finals. Inhliziyo ye-ex yami ihlala kwi-cooler box, into engenamizwa. Uyayizwa lento ayikhulumayo? My heart turns into silver like I lost in the finals. Inhliziyo ye-ex yami ihlala kwi-cooler box, into engenamizwa. So he doesn't want to go back there. Usjava loyo. But then I'm not gonna go through all the songs. Siphethe ukunye, siphethe slip over, uMadibusengi, Uyena, indoda enjani. So indoda enjani, ila madoda lawo wona ahlala khuluma ngogodo, ahlala khuluma ngesidwedwe, abanye bareke ikota, yabo. Mawuhleli naye nje, into azokutshela yona nje ukuthi hayi mina ngishaye amagama amathathu. Uyangithola? Ila abachoma ngesidwedwe kahle. Mokhulu yonke into ingaye. Asazi ukuthi indoda enjani leyo. So it's very beautiful song. Go check it out. EP yakwaSjava. And then check it out. I'm sure you're gonna love more songs there. But the ones that are on mainstream now, it's Kunye, Uyena, Slip Over is brilliant. He's actually telling a story. From the way ngiyibona ngakhona, the way even the tracks are laid and arranged, it's telling a story lapha ya Usjava. And big up to Usjava. This one, angikusoli inkabi yami. I'll give you 10 out of 10 on this one. On all of it, it's 10 out of 10. I might rate one by one, but then the album itself, the EP, the extended play itself, it's 10 out of 10. Uyangithola? So siyabonga abantu abahle. So uyeke lo Usjava nomzolisto disappointed. I'm disappointed. Usjava, it's thumbs up. Let's jump up to another legend. This legend has gave us Ringo Madlingos, as it is the 14th of February, Vandag, he gave us a song also. But then I would like to take you a single. I would like to take you back. How far is Ringo Madlingos? Ngikaye nje i-discography yakhe kancane. Yabo, maybe you might have a flashback nawe ubuyele emuva and then start to listen to his music so that sizokwazi ukuthi sikhuphule ama numbers wakhe, since nowadays everything is about streams, naye azokwazi ukuthi athole something. Uyangithola. So uRingo has given us the album Vukani in 1996. He gave us Sondela 97, gave us Mamelani 1998, gave us Into Yami 1999, and Buyisa in 2000, Ntumba in 2002, Balega in 2004, Ndimlo in 2006, Kubega in 2008, Jivas Bal in 2010, The Coming of Dawn, that was in 2012. I think that's where we started losing Ubabu Ringo Madlingos, when he was doing his 2012 album, because now he was trying to sing in English, and of which I understand, because bonke abantu, even umzansi wonke jikelele now was starting to lean more ey'ntweni zesingisi around that time. But then when he gave us Abo Sondela, he was a hit. And I remember then you release once a year. Every year we are releasing. Around November, October, November, your album is out there. October, November, your album is out there. And he started now giving it 2 years after the year 2000. The gap of 2 years, see how the album is doing. Because now we had the problem of piracy. We had those problems. So now the sales were not making sense. So you had to give it time so that it can be rooted into people's mind, abantu, so that they can buy it and enjoy the music. But then we had this thing of piracy, MP3. Everybody was now selling pirated music, which killed the industry. So now, as of 14, he gave us a single yaga Nomsa. I've listened to it, and ingnikeze vibe yabo Ndimlo, you know, ingnikeze the vibe yabo Into Yami, but at a subtle level. So it's a good song. We're good to see you in this new era. Your music, you actually there. It's just that sometimes some of the things, they lose you because you now stop practicing, stop writing, because we know he was in politics and all that. So this thing, it just loses you. So you can feel, look at this guy, it's a bit shaky when it comes to his writing and his singing now. So if we can practice more, go back, practice makes better, not perfect. So I will have Ringo Madlingos way to back naye uzoba kwi-standard whereby kwi-standard sabo zonke, uyangithola, where he just sell out venues. We get to E10, and this one I'll give you a 5. And the braveness of coming back after such a long time, I mean, who can beat that? So another single that came out on the 14th, Yaga Lwa Ndlunkulu. Ulwa gave us a single that says Mnagwetu. Good song. And Amanyama tags, when I listen to that song, Amanyama tags, I don't think we need them. Engomeni. There's a tag La Payana, when the beat starts, it says the one that Big Zulu likes the most, Yaga Stallion. I mean, I don't think we need that on every song, especially Zagalwa Ndlunkulu. Awubangene Stallion. Awubangene Stallion. Awubangene Stallion. Hayibo. Isikhuluma indaba zothando la. Sibangena kanjani no Stallion? Yabo, ngathi sekiwe empini kanti sisemathandweni, yangithola. Not every song it needs that tag. Yeah, awubangene Stallion. If we can use a different one, yeah. it will make more sense than zonke ingoma zaseNkabi Records sekumele zibe no awubangene Stallion. You know, we know Stallion is a Stallion saseNkabi Records. So that song yakamnakwethu, it's a beautiful song. Just for that tagline, it just throws me off. Ingoma mayisaqala. Yeah, awubangene Stallion. I'll give that song a 6. Asimove futhi. Go to the next one. Manje sesibuyela ngapha ku piano. Sibuye eMzansi manje. Sibuyela manje sengikhuluma nama 2000, ngikhuluma nama 90s, ngikhuluma nama 80s, wonke umuntu kwipiano. Yabo. Ngikhuluma nalabo abazalwa namhlanje. Wonke umuntu ukwipiano. There's a song that was released by Sjava the DJ Maphorisa, Zinxumalo X Dappy. And shout out to X Dappy. He actually I bump into him vandag njengoba kuyi Friday. We were at the Robots la Midrand by Oliphants. Yeah, so ngihlangana naye lapha uX Dappy. So yeah, we had a smallanyana chat, and then yavuli robot, but then anyway, istress asikho. Shout out to X Dappy, you're doing a very good job ntwana yami. And Madumane no Dutch, they're in that song, they featured in that song. The song, it's called Balele. That's the name of the song. The first beat when the song comes in, I don't know whether this is a sample or not, but it is a sample, because the sample Abalele yaga DJ Maphorisa no Kabza. That's the same song. I think it's with Amifaku. There's no difference. It's just that now the loop that they use on this latest one, it's in your forefront. It's here. But the one that they use ku Scorpion Kings, it's far back. So you can actually hear the similarities of the song. Same thing. Just that this one has got Uzi. Uzi, I can see her. She's picking up on amapiano. Bega spana kakhulu no udlala Thukzin. How can I forget udlala Thukzin? Zongibulala letsotsi. So yeah, udlala Thukzin. We know ukuthi bona yena no Zinxumalo, they're working very nice. And then on this one also, I would say she killed it, but I would have loved to see a different writing out of this one, because when I listen to this Balele, listening to Z, I hear Ishinja Magia. So there's a bit of kune repetition la. So mangjampa kuma piano, you need to hear something else. Even the writing needs to. The gimmicking of the song, it needs to somehow have a change. But Ibalele, it's supposed to be a more of a spiritual song, nice song, a sing-along. You can just wave. You know, it's a good song. I love it. But because pori, you know, because pori ngaphakathi, Maphorisa will push the song. It's gonna, before you know, it's gonna be a big song. But then I angifili nayo ngizoyigaya usikisi. They could have done better, because I believe ukuthi basinikeze another Abalele. Uyangithola. So siyabonga ke South Africa. There's a new one also, yaga Tyler no Sean Paul. I don't want to dwell too much onto that. I'm just giving you an update. If uthanda Tyler, you can just go listen to ingoma yaga Tyler no Sean Paul. The song, it's Push to Start, sorry. It's a Push to Start. We know the song, it's been there. They just remix it bafaka Tyler ngaphakathi and Sean Paul. There's nothing exciting about it. I'm not going to rate it. And Sam Smith also released on the 14th. I'm not going to rate it. I think we are Stelela. He's just giving us a 1-minute song. Ushuktin. You can't give us a 1-minute song. I mean, ngazodlala ngathi. But anyway, it's so good. I'm also not going to rate it, because it doesn't make sense to me. I can rate a 1-minute song, but this one, it's ayenzi lutho. Yabo, so sharp. We have also new albums. We have Ama extended play. There's an extended play that was released. Kabza no virus instrumental. There's one guy who would say this better. Umafitsotso. Umafitsotso once said, I will paraphrase. If you're an upcoming artist and you want to feature a big guy like Ukabza, you want to feature a big guy like Umapurisa, we don't see you. Asikboni. Awukho da. Yabo. Tina, we're looking at Ukabza. We're not looking at you. Obviously, the brand Yakabza is going to overshadow you. So that's something that we must look at. So the EP, I've listened to it. It's just an EP. Let me have a look. I even forgot the name of the EP. Let me have a look at this EP. Just go to my Spotify and check the EP. Lena Kabza No Virus Instrument. Oh yeah, the EP is Pez Gwentaba Homemade Music. So it consists of 3 songs. Yeah, bo. So Lengo Maleza Kona, it's they are okay songs. And there's a guy where maybe so Mkaya. Maybe it's him, I don't know. He raps. Some of the songs, they don't need you to rap on them. You just need a chorus, pre-chorus, and a bit of a nice verse there. But he raps on those songs. Isn't those velezi out, young tall. So the last song that Nyeli wanted to say, yo, now we're moving, I think is the song Uthando Lwethu, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I think it's Uthando Lwethu. It's song number 3. It actually wanted to ukuthi ngibambe ngamawashini lengoma le. So yeah, Uthando Lwethu, it's the beat is good. But then when you listen to the song throughout, it's a song that you can listen for 1 minute 30 seconds and then you are done. So writing ngaleyo ngoma leyo. So on this one, I'm also not going to rate, because for me now it's a less than 4. I'll just give 4 for effort on this one. But be cautious of featuring big guys. Rather, I think it should be the other way around. Let them feature you, and then ungene and blossom under their wing. You will start flying under their wings. You understand? Don't come from nowhere and then the next thing, Stugutugu so feature Ukabza. Stugutugu so feature Extra. Piganjani. Rather bona, they introduce you into the scene. Like if you look at the Uncool MC, he blossomed under Upuri. Young tall. So and then now he's there. He can do whatever now. He can go Kubo Kabza, he can go to Bostixi, he can go to Extapi, he can go to everyone. Yeah, bro. So he's good. We understand. So we need to be cautious of that. And the album that we have now, it's a Vic Typhoon, Iti Kupenza. That's what it says. That's the name of the album. I think we must listen to it. I've listened to the first song. The first song gave me the vibe of Afro pop, but in a piano way. Yeah, well, he goes in the lines about Vico Dasporo. Those are my guys. Vico Dasporo, Vic Typhoon. Good work, Lapaya Njayami. I've listened to the album, I think 3-4 times now. So the album is good. Singayidlala kuma private school, singayidlala masicala amaset, singayidlala masichilile, singayidlala amashama long drive. So big up to you mfethu. And please go wonke umuntu who is listening and watching this show, siyabonga kakhulu. And please don't forget to share, subscribe, and make sure nje uthathe nje iclip nyane ewani, put it on your status, put it on your TikTok, put it on your Facebook, put it on your Instagram, and then let's keep on building this community. Kancane kancane siyafika da, and I've seen inamba sezikhulile kancane nje, yangithola. So but then siyabonga abantu abahle, nanoma ngabe kuyi1, kuwubili, kukuthathu. Ngiyabonga, kubonga okuncane, kubonga okukhulu. Uyazi, sama South Africa, siyabonga abantu abahle.